friends, today I'm going to show my new skating shoes. So let's start. Skating shoes. See, they're blue in color, and the brand's name is Oxalo. I'll show you how to adjust the size. Here we can adjust the size. If you want to make it small, pull it front. Want to make it big, pull it in. The same way you can do the other side. So I am putting in 3 and I'll show you how to wear it. See, these are 2 clips. See, then press it a little bit so it will be opened and we can wear it. Put it. Press it a little tight. Should not put like this. The square should be inside the hole. See? Now I'll show you the blades. In this video, I'm going to show my skating shoes practicing sessions.